Hello dear students, how are you? I hope so you are doing great. How is your preparation for your competitive level of examinations? Going good? Hope so you are doing well. So keep it up. So if you're not at start, please start seriously because time is not there. Very short time is there. You have to focus your objective level of examination seriously. Just you can start your preparation. This is Lakshmi. Once again, warm welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to discuss about the various levels of examinations, especially objective type with super tips and tricks. So those are mostly helpful to you to crack the any type of question within a fraction of seconds in your competitive level of examinations. So if you are watching my videos, you know what is my way of teaching you can get. If you not yet watch my videos, please watch them. Whose links are there in the below description, and some videos can be opened by click the I button in the top corner of every video. Okay, without delay, let's get start today's topic. The topic is simply ellipse. Ellipse, various types of the equations of normals to the ellipse and its applications I am discussing in this video. Are you ready? Yes, we are starting. What is a normal and also what are the various of equations? Okay, now you know that clearly normal is a line perpendicular to tangent. Suppose this is ellipse, this is a tangent line, some point, some p x1 y1. Normal is perpendicular to tangent at this point, that is called as normal. What this line is called as normal line. Okay, this is clearly tangent line. In one of the video I explained about the tangents, you can watch that also. Normal is simply perpendicular line to the tangent at the point of contact. There will be various forms of the equations of normals. What are those? We will look at one by one. You know, first of all, what is standard equation of ellipse? Standard equation of ellipse is what? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. We can add minus 1 is equal to 0. This is denoted as a standard notation. This is standard equation of ellipse where a greater than b. Where a greater than b. In case of a greater than b, you know very well, major axis along the x-axis, minor axis along the y-axis. Now what are the various contents? Already I discussed in previous videos, you can watch them. This video exclusively normals and its applications, right? Now we'll come across the what is normal equation at the one of the point, normal at one of the point, normal equation at some p x1 y1 with respect to ellipse, with respect to s is equal to 0 ellipse is ax by x1 minus by y1 is equals to a square minus b square. This is what? Equation of normal at one of the point x1. y1 is what? Ax by x1 minus by y1 is equals to a square minus b square. Clear? Right. Not only at one point, he may ask the equation of normal at parametric point also. What is a parametric point? You know very well with respect to ellipse. What is the parametric point? That's some p, a cos theta comma b sin theta. At this point, this is also denoted as, you know very well, theta. At theta means with respect to the ellipse is what? A cos theta and b sin theta, where theta is parameter. At this point, normal equation. Normal equation is simply ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equals to a square minus b square. Here a square x by, here a square x by cos, a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equals to a square minus b square. In this case, what is the equation of normal at x1 y1 is a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equals to a square minus b square. In place of x1 y1, if you replace the a cos theta and b sin theta, we can reduce this equation. Clear? Simply you can remember what is the equation of normal at the parametric point theta is what? Ax by cos theta minus by sin theta is equals to a square minus b square. Is it clear? And we will ask the equation normal at one end of the lattice rectum, that to positive end. We will give like this. That is I am taking as a point 3. Equation of normal at positive end of lattice rectum. Positive end of lattice rectum. You know very well, that is what? That is what? A comma b square by a. This is clearly positive end of lattice rectum. You will go there directly normal at a comma b square by a. Maybe indirectly this is also called as what? Equation of normal at positive end. This is also known as positive end of lattice rectum. That is simply x minus ey is equals to ae cube. You know what is E? E is clearly eccentricity of the ellipse. Clear? Now, we can come across what is a condition if the line is normal to the ellipse. We will go to one of the line is normal to the ellipse. We have to know what is its condition. The condition that the line some Lx plus My plus n is equal 0 is normal to the ellipse. What is ellipse standard form? Yes, S is equals to 0, right? Is simply you have to remember a square by L square plus b square by m square is equals to a square minus b square whole square by n square. Clear? This is a condition when the line is in the form of like this is normal to the ellipse standard form is what? A square L square plus b square m square is equals to a square minus b square whole square upon n square. You will go, this line is also known as normal chord. Normal chord you may go, maybe normal also will go. Is it clear? These are the major equations of normals with respect to the ellipse at the point, at parametric point, at one end of positive end of lattice rectum, and also condition for normal chord. Clear? Now we can start the questions. You know what are the equations of normals, various forms are given to you, and what is a normal chord condition? Just you can refer them easily. So those we can apply for the questions. Quickly we can solve the solutions by using those tips and tricks. Okay, we can read the question carefully sentence by sentence. According to the given data, you have to choose tips and tricks. Clear? Now I can come to the question number 1. What is there? Find the equation of normal at 2, 1 on the ellipse. That point is 2, 1 is on the ellipse. We can find out equation of normal at that point. Okay. First, to find out the equation of normal at that point, we can reduce the standard equation, given equation of the ellipse into standard form. What is the given equation here? X square plus 4y square is equals to 8. To reduce into standard form, we have to divide on both sides by 8, you know very well, because we can reduce the constant as 1, right? But taking the division by 8, what happened here? X square by 8, right? Plus y square by 2 will come is equals to 1, right? From this we can observe that a square is equals to 8, b square is a 2, right? What is asking? Equation of normal at one of the point, given that point is taken as some x1, y1. We know that clearly. What is the equation of normal? Equation of normal at the point at some x1, y1 is given as 2, 1, right? A is what? I am writing again. Tip here. We have to concentrate. Minus b square y by y1 is equals to a square minus b square. For your understanding purpose, again I am writing here. But in your examination, time is important. We have to avoid the more number of steps. Quick solutions you have to do. to focus the more number of questions. That is only possible if you know the super tips and tricks and the dedicated practice. Right? Now you can substitute what are the a square, b square you have and x1 by 1. Right? A square is 8. 8x by x1 is 2, right? Minus b square is 2. Y1 is 1. 2 y by y1 is 1 is equals to a square minus b square. 8 minus 6, 8 minus 2 is a 6. Okay, right. 2 will be cancelled in 8 4 times. 4x minus 2y is equals to 6. You know that among these three terms, again 2 will be cancelled. But in the cancellation of 2, what happened? It will be 2x minus y is equals to 2 3 is 6. That's why 2x minus y is equal to 3 is our required equation of normal at the given point. Is it clear? So what is a given data? According to the data, which we have to choose a formula, right? Now can come to the next question. What is asking? Find the equation of normal at the ellipse, to the ellipse at the point whose ordinate is 2. Here also is asking the equation of normal at the point only, but point is not given directly. Is given that ordinate of that point. What is meaning of ordinate? Ordinate is simply y coordinate. Y coordinate of the point is given as 2. Is not given the x coordinate. X coordinate is can taken as some x. That point is where? That point is clearly lies on the ellipse. So that's why we can find out the point first of all. To find out the point, we can choose the point as x comma 2. Because of, ordinate, y coordinate is 2 given, x we don't know. E lies, where is it? Lies on B, lies on ellipse. X square plus 4y square is equals to 25. Means what? We can substitute in place of x and y these results. We can find out x coordinate, x is x only. X square plus 4 into y is 2, 2 square is a 4 is equals to 25. Right? Now we can take x square plus 16 is equals to 25. From this x square is equals to 16 or 25 minus 16 is 9. Therefore x is equals to plus or minus 3. Therefore what is a point or points? We got the 2 points. First point is what? X is 3 and y is a 2. Okay. Second point, some q I am taking. X is a minus 3, y is 2. Okay, is not mentioned the positive and negative and like that is not mentioned. We have to find out equations of normals at these 2 points. He is asking only equation. Equation means 1 is enough. So at P we can find out. So, and if we give the, if it's not there the option according to the P, we can choose a Q in case of the final examination, right? Here I am doing it P only. Same formula I am using. Okay, what is I am using? That only I am using. So therefore, equation of normal at P 3 comma 2, right? What is the formula? A square. In this case, a square is divided by first of all 25. That is x square by 25 plus y square by 25 by 4 is equals to 1. A square is clearly 25. 25 x by a square x by x1. x1 is 3 minus b square is 25 by 4 y by y minus b square y by y1. y1 is 2 is equals to a square minus b square. That is 25 minus 25 by 4. Clear? Now by taking the 25 is common for easiness purpose. Here x by 3 minus y by 8 left side. Right side also I am taking the 25 is common. It becomes 1 minus 1 by 4. Throughout 25 is cancelled here and here. What is LCM here? 24 LCM 8 is. Here what will come? 8x minus 3y. You know all these calculations very well. So this calculation part also you have to minimize. LCM is 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 4, right? 4, 6, 24. right? Again it will be 8x minus 3y is equals to 6 3 is 18. This is only our required equation of normal at the given point whose coordinate is 2. Clear? Both of them are depends upon the same tip only, but here point is given directly, here indirectly. Is it clear? Now can come forward some more questions. Yes, we can concentrate on next two questions. Question number 3 and 4. What is question number 3? If the normal at one end of lattice rectum, is passing through one end of minor axis of the ellipse, then is asking one result, where E is nothing but eccentricity of the ellipse. Conic means what? Ellipse. This is given data. Given the options also. What is the relation of E? So which equation will be satisfied? You have to find out what is the condition. Normal at one end of lattice rectum passing through other end of minor axis. For example, if you choose the ellipse, this is ellipse. If take this is a minor lattice rectum, one end of at L. So this is a major axis, this is minor axis. These are the B and B dash are the, what are the B and B dash are ends of minor axis. B coordinates are 0, B. B dash coordinates are 0, minus B. All these you know from the introduction part. 0, B and 0 minus B are ends of minor axis. One end of lattice rectum, suppose if you take the A, B square by A. If you draw the normal at L, it will be compulsory passing through. Other end means what? It is passing through B dash. Because normal always passing through the curve. Passing through means intersect the curve. Normal at L, suppose if you take, it will be passing through what? One end of minor axis. Suppose if a normal at L, it must be passing through where? One end is what? You can take here? B dash. Don't take as a B. Because normal is not passing like this. Clear? I am taking the one end of lattice rectum is positive end I have taken. That is passing through where? B dash. B dash is 0 minus B. Now already I given to you what is the equation of normal at L, some A comma B square by A, right? This is clearly one end of lattice rectum. Is what I given? Yes, x minus cy is equals to AEQ. Clear? I have given already. This is passing through where? B dash. Passing through. Indirectly passing through B dash 0 minus B. Passing through means what? In place of the x and y, we can substitute 0 and minus B. If you substitute x is 0, 0 minus y. Y is minus B. Minus or minus plus B is equals to AE cube. From this, what you can cancel out? BE is equals to AE cube, right? Now, we can cancel one E on throughout. B is equals to A of E square will be left over. But here, given option in terms of E only, means we have to reduce in terms of E. To reduce in terms of E, what you can do? We can take the squaring on both sides. By taking the squaring on both sides, what happened? B square is equals to left side, right side, A square E power 4. Right? You know B square very well. B square you can write clearly. A square of 1 minus E square in case of standard form of the ellipse where A is greater than B. Where next right side A square is into E power 4. And throughout A square cancel, what will be left over? 1 minus E square is equals to E power 4. This one can rewrite. Shall I rewrite as E power 4 minus E square becomes plus E square, plus 1 becomes minus 1 equals to 0. This is one of the condition we got. What is that? Which option is? That is clearly third option. This one you can remember as a tip also. As a direct tip also you have to remember, like as a one of the tip you have to remember. What is that? If the one end of minor axis normal passing through one end of the lattice rectum of the normal passing through one end of minor axis, then relation is, you have to remember like that. Okay. Now I can come to the next question. What is that? Find the equation of normal at P pi by 3 to the ellipse. At P pi by 3 means at theta he is asking. You know what is normal at theta. Before use that tip, we have to write standard form here. For to reduce in the standard form, what you have to do? Divide on both sides by 144. Therefore, here x square by 9 gets cancelled, 144 16 times plus y square 16 9 times is equals to 1. You know that clearly this is standard equation of ellipse where a is greater than b. Clear? Now, what is a given point? P pi by 3 is a p theta we can take. So, indirectly theta is given as pi by 3. Parametric point theta we can take it as pi by 3. Now, what is the formula? That is x by cos theta minus by by sin theta is equals to a square minus b square. This is equation of normal at theta. Substitute the theta and a square b square values. A is a 4x by cos pi by 3, right? Minus b is a b square 9 means what? B is 3y by sin pi by 3 is equals to a square minus b square. 16 minus 9 is 7. Clear? Now, what is cos pi by 3 value? Yes, cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. What is sin pi by 3? Yes, you know very well, root 3 by 2. Those we can substitute here. 4x by 1 by 2 minus 3y by root 3 by 2 is equals to 7. It will become 8x minus 2 3 6y by root 3 is equals to 7. This is we can 8x minus 6y by 6 by root 3 we can write what? 2 root 3. Y is equals to 7. Okay, cancellation part we have to take care. Calculation part. Here in case of objective type, speed with accuracy is important. That is possible. There is no difficult at all. Just you have to concentrate what you are doing, what you are choosing, what is the given data. Clear? These two are applicants of normals. Okay, I said to you this lecture is entirely equations of normals and its properties applications. Now question number 5 I am reading like the normal at P on the ellipse, normal at the point P on the ellipse, what are they having? Having A and A dash are vertices and S dash are foci. What are its vertices as A and A dash and foci are S and S dash. Bisect the angle. Bisect which angle is given? There will be options also. That it will be angle SP A dash, second option, angle APS dash, and third one angle SPS dash, fourth one angle APA dash. Which angle bisect the normal at where? Normal drawn at the point P bisects which angle? Just for this you have to draw the figure, that's enough. If you know the figure, you easily can pick up the option. Suppose you know this is ellipse clearly, where A and A dash are its vertices. Clear? And S and S dash are its foci. P is any point on the ellipse. I said just now only for the previous question, normal always passing through the curve. What is the curve here? Ellipse. We can draw the normal at P, it is always passing through like this. Clearly tell me it's bisects which angle? It's bisect the angle clearly SP S dash. It is clearly SP S dash. That is we cannot take this point is also may give the bisects angle SP S dash internally, externally, like that it will go. It is a bisects the angle SP S dash internally. Is it clear? Just if you draw the figure, that's enough. Okay, this is which option? Yes, it will be clearly third option. You have to know the what is a given data. According to the data, you can draw the figure. That's it, right? Now can come to the next question. In this question, what is asking? The area of the quadrilateral formed by normals drawn at extremities of latus recta. You know latus rectum floralis, lattice recta. So there will be two lattice rectums, you know very well. Suppose this is one of the lattice rectum L, this is L dash. We can draw the at the ends of like A, B, C, D. There will be four ends of lattice rectum. We can draw the normals like at A is one normal, B is another normal, some C, one more normal, and D, one more. Like this. All these points meet at 4 points like this, like P, Q, R, S. This P, Q, R, S is clearly what? Quadrilateral formed by the normals drawn at extremities of lattice recta. Okay, to find out this area, so there is a short trick. I am giving the trick. That one you can collect by the standard equation of ellipse. That is the required area. Area of quadrilateral PQRS is 2a square e power 5. We can use this step. By the calculation of theoretical part, we can get it. This one we can use in competitive level of examinations. Okay, what is this formula? 2a square e power 5 is what? Area of the quadrilateral formed by normals drawn at the extremities of latera recta or lattice recta. Clear? So to find out this area, we can use this formula. So we want this total area. I had just only dotted one small triangle, but we want the total area. What is the formula? 2a square e power 5. For that, first of all, you have to know what is E, what is A. How can you find out E and A? Reduce this is into standard form. Divided by 225, it will be x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equals to 1. You know that clearly A square is a 25. Clear? B square is a 9. We can find out E is a root over, what is that? A square minus B square by A square. You know, when A greater than B, what is the eccentricity of the ellipse? That is all I am using, right? Root over A square 25, B square 9, 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 by A square is 25. It is clearly 4 by 5. You know, E value 4 by 5 and A value is 5, substitute here. Therefore, required area is what? 2a square e power 5. That is 2a square is a 25. E power 5, that is 4 by 5 whole power 5, right? This is we can write 2 into 5 square into 4 power 5 is a 512 will come. 512 by 5 power 5 we can write 5 square into 5 cube, right? 1 5 square cancel. 2 into 512 is a 1024 by 5 cube is 125. Clear? So this is a required area of the quadrilateral formed by what? Formed by normals which are drawn at extremities of lattice recta with respect to the ellipse. Clear? But you have to remember this step, then only you can get the solution easily. Otherwise it becomes lengthy. Clear? Now we can come forward some more questions. Question number 7. What is asking question number 7? Find the value of k. Some value of k is asking such that the line, what is the line? 6x minus 8ky plus 9 is equal to 0. In this line there is a k. We can find out that k value when it is a normal to the ellipse. This line is normal to the ellipse. Then we can find out k value. In place of k, he may give any letter. In case of this line, he may give any line. But what is the condition? You have to recollect normal chord. What is the condition? First of all, to use that condition, we can reduce the given ellipse into standard form. Here 4x square plus y square is equal to 4 can reduce into standard form. What you have to do? Exactly. So divided by 4, now it becomes 4x square by 4 is x square plus y square by 4 is y square by 4 only is equals to 1. And x square by 1 also we can write. You know that clearly a square is a 1, b square is a 4, right? Given line. What is given line here? Given line, that is 6x minus 8ky plus 9 equals to 0. This is compared with this line, some Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. What are the L, M, N values? L is clearly 6, M is a minus 8k, N is a 9. What is tip I have given when the line is normal to the ellipse? So, exactly what? Right. That is clearly the condition is what? A square by L square plus B square by N square equals to, right? A square minus B square whole square by N square. We can use this tip here to collect some unknown value k. Substitute A square, B square, L square, M square and so on. A square is a 1 by L square, L is a 6, L square is 36 plus B square is a 4 by M square is minus 8k whole square, that is 64k square equals to, what is this term? A square minus B square. A square is a 1, B square is a 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is 9 by N square. N is what? N is a 9. N is 9, 9 square is, N square is what? 81. Right? It will be cancelled by taking the LCM here. What is LCM here? 36 and 64. 4 16s we can cancel out here. Right? Now what will be left over? X square 1 by 36 plus 1 by 16k square is equals to 1 by 9. Right? LCM of 36 and 16. 36, 16 LCM, that is a 4, 4 9s, 4 4s, right? 4 9s, 36. Again, 36 4s. 4 6 24, 4 2, 4 3 is 12 to 14, right? 144 is LCM. I will do here. 144 is LCM here. 144 k square is LCM, right? Already here what is there? 36. 36 cancel in 144 is 4 times. That is 4 plus, LCM what can you take? Now 16. 16 9s 30. 16 9s 144. Therefore 16 k square here we can write no k here. 4 k square we can write here. Just wait. Right. Here 4k square will come. 4k square plus 16k square, 16 9 is equals to 1 by 9. Right? But taking the cross multiplication, 9 4s 36k square plus 9 9s 81 is equals to 144k square. Clear? Now again this is I am rewriting 81 is equals to 144k square minus 36k square. That is 81 is equals to 144 minus 36. 14 minus 6 8 and 3 minus 3 0 and 1 108 k square. Right? What is a k square? 81 by 108 is equals to k square. He is asking k value. It will be cancelled. 9 will be cancelled. K square will be 9 ones, 9 9s 81. 9 ones 9, 9 2s are 18. Again 3 will be cancelled. 3 3s, 3 4s. K square is equals to 3 by 4 we got. What is k? K is equals to root over 3 by 4 in the sense plus or minus root 3 by 2. That's it. Like this we can find out k value. Maybe in the given options, here I didn't give the options, maybe plus or minus root 3 by 2 is there, only plus root 3 by 2 is there, that is depends upon the given options, you can choose the option, right? So for k is exactly plus or minus root 3 by 2. Is it clear now? Now here what I used? Simply I used the condition for normal chord. That's it. Clear? Now can come to the next question. Right. What is the next question? Which is given in JEE Mains 2017. So I will do exclusively only previous JEE mains and previous MSET questions in special videos I will do. But for your idea purpose, one of the question I have written here. So we can apply the normal concept on the previous also. I have to know few of them. Right? Here I did one question I am going to do. That is question number 8. What is the condition here? Question statement. The eccentricity of an ellipse, eccentricity of ellipse whose center is at the origin is 1 by 2. Means what is given that eccentricities of the ellipse whose center is at the origin is 1 by 2. Means given that center of the ellipse is 0, 0 and eccentricity you know that clearly denoted by E, that is 1 by 2 given, right? That is first sentence. What is second sentence? If one of its directrix is x is equals to minus 4. One of its directrices, you know directrices equations, x is equal plus or minus a by e. Here given that negative means what? Indirectly x is minus 4 is given as minus a by e. Okay, indirectly x is minus 4 means what? X is equals to minus a by e. Means what? In place of minus a by e, minus 4, you can equate them. A by e is 4. E is 1 by 2 already is there. 1 by 2 is equals to 4. Therefore, A is clearly 2. A is clearly 2. We got the A value, we got the E value. Now we can observe that in this case, next sentence is what? Directrix I used, eccentricity I used. Then what is asking? Then the equation of normal at one point. What is that point? 1 comma 3 by 2. We can observe that this point is clearly one end of lattice rectum. How we know one end of lattice rectum this point? Just we can check the x coordinate. AE comma b square by A. B square no need to find out. Only x coordinate I am checking. A is how much? A is a 2. B is 1 by 2. B square by A something I will write here. You know what is x coordinate of that point? Given point. X coordinate of given point is 1. Here also 1. First we can check. So because of already I have given to you. What is the equation of normal at one end of lattice rectum? What is that? Clearly equation of normal at one end of lattice rectum is what is that? X minus EY is equals to AE cube. Indirectly is asking the equation of normal at one end of lattice rectum. You can think this is one end of lattice rectum. Already I verified that x coordinate. No need to worry about the y coordinate. If we get the some solution which is there in option, we can pick up directly. Otherwise, we can find out ellipse equation, then equation of normal at the point. But already I checked it. This is clearly the point is given point is one end of lattice rectum. Clear? Now we will use here x minus E is a 1 by 2. Y A square. A is a 2. 2 E cube. E is a 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 by 8. LCM here 2. 2x minus y by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. 1 2 cancel here. What will be happen? Next we will do here. Okay. 2x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. 1 2 cancel here. Now take the cross multiplication. 2 into 2 4x minus 2y is equals to 1. 4x minus 2y is equal to 1 is there in options? Yes, it is there in clearly in the first option. Clear? So simply he is asking in this question equation of normal at one end of lattice rectum. That's enough. So it's very very simple. Don't think previous JEE mains questions will be difficult. It's not like that. 20% overall will be difficulty level. What are maybe difficulty level in final examination? We can avoid them. Okay, but 80% will be average and below average questions only. If you do the practice carefully, if you are doing the tips and tricks, and you have to concentrate entire syllabus, especially major topics, those are most helpful to you to get the best and better ranks. Okay, before conclude this video, I hope so you compulsory you can watch my all videos for your better performance. So if you make sure if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video with new content. Till then, keep work hard. Don't waste the time at any cost. So if you have any doubts, please put a comment or contact through my mail ID which is given in the video. Definitely, I will rectify your doubts. Don't divert your mind. So don't disappoint at any cost. Do your best. Is it clear now? Okay.